Hi, the SI Meteorologist. Paul Dorian here on Thursday, June 27th. Quite a setup in the atmosphere for some heavy rain and potential severe weather in the Mid-Atlantic region for later this afternoon into early tonight. The last few days have actually featured numerous torrential downpours and some strong to severe thunderstorms, but chances for heavy rain and severe weather actually increase for later today and early tonight as a strong upper-level disturbance approaches the eastern states. A couple different things going on this morning. First of all, we have that strong upper-level feature approaching the eastern states that we did not have the last few days. And we take a look at the current radar loop from the Penn State Ewald site. We see already quite an active, widespread area of showers and embedded thunderstorms across eastern Ohio into western Pennsylvania. The last couple of mornings were rather quiet in terms of radar echoes. Then the afternoon saw the quick development of showers and thunderstorms. Well, this morning we already have a widespread batch here of some heavy rain now moving into western Pennsylvania. It should hold itself together as it crosses the middle part of the state, the Appalachians, reaching the I-95 corridor later on this afternoon. Again, a very good chance of heavy rain and severe weather in the I-95 corridor right from D.C. to Baltimore, Philadelphia, into New York City for later this afternoon into early tonight. Well, we've kind of focused in on the upper part of the atmosphere over the last few mornings and discussing the scenario for the heavy rain potential here in the Mid-Atlantic region. This is the very latest 500 millibar map, the current map here, and notice here we have a disturbance here, a nice short wave in the upper part of the atmosphere. Again, 500 millibars here. We did not see this the last couple of mornings in the Mid-Atlantic region, and yet we still had some numerous showers and thunderstorms. If anything, this just adds to the possibility for heavy rain this afternoon. We'll jump ahead 6 hours and then 12 hours from now to this afternoon and evening following the movement of this upper level feature. And here's the forecast map for the 500 millibar early this afternoon and then early tonight. So that wave just moves gradually from west to east into the Mid-Atlantic region, again enhancing the possibility for heavy rain this afternoon and severe weather possibilities as well this afternoon into early tonight along the I-95 corridor. Now, once this feature passes, notice this strong upper level low approaching the western Great Lakes. We've talked about that over the last several days. That drives to the south and east and then kind of grinds to a halt over the eastern Great Lakes. Let's in fact look at the forecast maps for tomorrow night. And here it is. Quite an impressive upper level feature by tomorrow night over the Great Lakes, just setting the stage for the continuation of unsettled weather here in the Mid-Atlantic region with the potential for heavy rain continuing Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, really as far ahead as the eye can see. In fact, let's jump ahead another 24 hours, and here you go Saturday evening, and finally by Sunday evening you have continuation of a deep trough over the Ohio Valley, eastern part of the Great Lakes, and notice the wind flow right along the coast, right out of the south, right out of the Gulf of Mexico. This upper level feature will combine with a surface Bermuda high type feature that both of which will be rather stationary for days to come, pumping very moist air right up the east coast into the Mid-Atlantic region. And again, there'll be an organized area of heavy rain and severe weather this afternoon and this evening along the I-95 corridor, and the potential continues on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for more showers and thunderstorms. Any of those showers can contain heavy rain, and any of those thunderstorms can be strong to severe given this upper level pattern that we will get stuck with beginning by tomorrow and lasting well into next week. Well, and now let's take a look at the surface forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. This is for this evening. So not only is there an upper level feature we saw a moment ago at 500 millibars slowly working its way through the region, but there's a surface low reflected here by the GFS model sitting right over central Pennsylvania. And again, it's a real good setup for heavy rain and the potential for severe weather this afternoon into early tonight along the I-95 corridor. Well, let's jump ahead 24 hours. This is the Friday evening surface map forecast from last night's 0Z GFS model run. Low pressure still now sitting at the surface, and in the upper part of the atmosphere we saw a big trough setting up right here over the Ohio Valley and eastern Great Lakes. This will combine with a little bit of a frontal system that stalls as it reaches the east coast to keep conditions quite unsettled on Friday, and that unsettled weather will continue on Saturday as well. In fact, let's now jump ahead to Saturday evening forecast map. And here it is for Saturday evening. Surface low moves into upper part of New England by Saturday evening, but notice another one developing, and that is not at all unusual here with the stationary upper level feature. We'll kind of have a wrapping around or rotating around of wave after wave here, continuing the threat for showers and thunderstorms in the Mid-Atlantic region. Now, the weekend will not at all be a total washout by any means, but it certainly can be a shower or thunderstorm at just about any time, especially the afternoon and evening hours, and any of those showers or storms can contain some heavy rain. But again, it will not be a total washout this weekend. However, the threat for showers and thunderstorms will continue not only this weekend, but right through the first half of next week, and perhaps even beyond that, and we'll have more on that as the days progress. So again, a good chance for some heavy rain and potential severe weather this afternoon and early tonight up and down the I-95 corridor. Stay tuned to the SIweather.com for any updates this afternoon. That's it for now. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.